In this edition of Update Bowling Green, we'll be discussing the Bunny Hop Trail. If you would like your business or food truck to be seen by potentially hundreds of people in a 3-hour time span, the Bunny Hop Trail at Preston Miller Park offers that opportunity. The City of Bowling Green Parks and Recreation Department is looking for local businesses or other organizations and food trucks to participate in this year's trail. The event is scheduled from 3 to 6 p.m. March 26th. Last year's event drew a crowd of hundreds. BG Parks and Recreation wants to enlist local businesses, charitable organizations, or clubs who want to hand out free goodies along the trail. Parks and Rec would also welcome food trucks to set up in the parking lot. If you have a food truck and are interested in participating, or if you have a business or other organization and want to hand out free trail treats, call Kristen Graves at 270-393-3734 or email Kristen, Kristen.graves@bgky.org. You're watching Update Bowling Green.